Hello everyone, welcome to Star Side News. And today I'm going to be unboxing some packages from Amazon because I was bored. I have a whole bunch of stuff from Amazon and I want to make a video. So, alright, 3 packages. This is the first one. It's the new black Butler 22. Just came out. The other day. Just got it in today. I have the rest of them. What? That one's the new one that just came out. Next I have this package. Alright. This is one of the new Beyblade bursts that just came out. Well, I guess they didn't just come out, but they're new. And I'll unbox it right now. Has some tape on it. Here are the 3 parts. This is Death Cipher Scyther FJ. Not 100% sure how to build these yet, but that goes like that. And goes to that. And goes like that. Pretty cool. Comes with stickers and stuff. Alright, now for the main box. The thing I've been waiting a while for. It's from Neewer. It's their entire mic set. So my audio quality will definitely be going up. Here's the pop filter. Just attaches right onto the boom arm that's in here. Here's the shock mount. Bit smaller than it looked in the picture, but it looks like it can like open up a little bit. XLR to 3.5 microphone jack. Here's the clamp to put the boom arm onto your desk. Here's the boom arm itself. Pretty big. Will definitely be nice to have. Wind cover for microphone. And the microphone, the Neewer NW700. In my later videos, obviously I'll be either using this or the microphone I already have, the AT2020, depending on if it fits into the shock mount. Which I guess I could test right now, but it looks a good bit bigger than the Neewer. Looks like it might fit if it's a little bit too big, it looks like. How does the Neewer fit into it? Neewer slides right into it. Very nice. The AT2020 might, because it has these that you pull to open it up a little bit. But obviously I don't want to pull it and break it. But in a later video I'll probably show this all set up or I'll just have it set up in my videos when I'm recording. But thank you guys so much for watching.